Hey, this is David Miller with the Miller Realty Group of Keller Williams Realty with your monthly real estate update for Metro Orlando. So the stats just came out today, and as expected, the month of August was hot. I don't mean hot, I mean sales were up 7% compared to last year. The biggest reason is that interest rates are still relatively low. They're still in the high threes. So that's causing a lot of demand. A lot of people are out there buying property. The other thing that we saw is that the median price sort of stayed equal to what it was last month. But compared to last year, the median price in Orlando is up 14%. So that makes 61 consecutive months since July of 2011 that the pricing has gone up, and it has gone up 78%. Now, as your real estate consultant, I like to look behind the numbers. And one of the things I like to look at is see where the market is from an inventory perspective. Now, the Orlando Regional Realtor Association put up this chart, which I'll put on your screen right now. Now, if we take a look at this chart, it really shows us that we have the tale of two markets of real estate within Metro Orlando, which is sort of unique. If we look at homes between, let's say, $400,000 and below, there's not a lot of inventory. And because of that, there's a very strong seller's market going on. So if you're a seller wanting to list your property, this is a great time to do it because there's not much to choose from. If you're a buyer, it's going to be a little bit more difficult to find that property, and it's going to be very important that you are partnered with a very skilled realtor that knows the inventory of homes very well and can find properties before they actually hit MLS, because you're going to be able to have a leg up on the other buyers looking for those same properties. Now, if we look at the pricing between 400 and 600,000, that's more of a balanced market between the buyers and sellers. But as we get higher in price range from 600 to 800, even to $1 million, is considered a buyer's market. And if you have a house over $1 million, there's 25 months worth of inventory, which means it's a very, very strong buyer's market. So it's sort of unique how we can look at this here. Now, the main reason that the inventory of homes is so low on the lower end of the market from a pricing perspective is because the builders aren't really building a lot of those smaller homes, first-time home buyer homes. They're really sticking with the larger homes, and that has a lot to do with what's going on in today's market. So it's really something to be aware of. The market is always changing. One other thing I want to bring up to mind is that we are going to be seeing a shift in the market. We're starting to see it in other parts of the country. Keep in mind, real estate is cyclical. It goes up and down like anything else in life. And the cycles usually last about 6 to 7 years. So we're going into the 7th year of the upswing. And my expert opinion is that next year is probably going to be the peak until we do get the new shift. Now, the shift that's going to occur, I don't think it's going to be like it was last time, where it dropped so much and it was this total chaos. But that's where my crystal ball gets a little cloudy. I can't tell you exactly what's going to happen, but I do know there will be a shift. We are already starting to see companies that are starting to lay people off. But right now, we're still very strong. The market's good. It's a good time to put your house on the market or to even buy, depending on your price range. Now, if you're one of the folks that likes to sell when the prices are high and buy while it's low, and you're thinking about selling your house, this is the best time to put your house on the market. So make sure that you give us a call, give us an opportunity to see what we can do to help you get your house sold, because we consistently get our listings sold for top dollar and within a shorter period of time. So that's pretty much the skinny on what's going on in the real estate market today. If you have any questions or need help on any of your real estate needs, feel free to give us a call. You can reach us at this number right now. We'd be glad to help you out. Hope you guys have a super day, and we'll be in touch. Thanks.